So in this video, I'm going to go over this automotive electrical system diagnostic tool. It's from BOSSCOMM. Just going over the box here, it's an AC voltage measurement. It's got component activation, so you can check your components to see if they even have power on. Pathfinding breakpoint localization. Now, what is that? So if you've got a wire, you could check at a fuse, and then you could run all the way down the wiring and see if there's a break somewhere in your wiring. That is a very handy thing for finding short circuits in a wiring setup. So I really like that feature a lot. It's got battery diagnostics and it's got injector testing on it. This is the box you get. Very nice, handy box with a good handle on it. You know what? I always like it when they have a little nice case with them. So let me show you everything on this. You get a cord right there for plugging in. You get several cords. This goes into a cigarette lighter. And then this right here would go like on a battery or a ground or something. That's what all of this would run to. Or actually, if you want to do it to the battery, what you would do, plugged in. Now that would be charged through the battery. You run that. Then we could do the testing on it. Now this tool right here looks like it requires a 9-volt battery, which I will get that here in a minute. This is that probe where you do the wire finder the short break receiver. So what this would do, I would have this plugged in to where the fuse is or the start of the wire. And then I would just run down the entire wire until I find where the break is. Now all of this stuff is covered in this manual right here. If you want to go over the manual, I'll go out here and I'll test some of it. I'll do the connection on the battery, and then I'll do some testing on a few things just to show you how this thing works. I'm not going to use all the features. I'll try to use the probe. You can see right here, I do have a trailer. I could have used this a while back because my trailer lighting was bad, and I was trying to find out where and which pin was bad. So you can see how you would do it like on a trailer light. You would stick your, where's the probe? This is the probe right here, just like this. So I'd stick the probe in there, put that on a ground, and have this on a battery, and then I would run down a wire and see where the actual break is. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and do some testing on the battery, see how all that works, set it up on my van, and I'll show you some of the features of this thing. Okay, I'm out here at my van now. Let's go ahead and let's put this thing to the test. The ground right there on that one, the positive on that one. As soon as I do, you see that it comes up. It has 0 voltage on it. DC check on the voltage. 12.74 on that. That looks good. What happens if we touch it to the negative? Well, we get 0 on the negative. Now to change through some of these settings on here, hit the OK button. DC voltage resistor. That's for like a diode or something like that. Pathfinder. So with that Pathfinder, you're going to be able to go down and search all over wires if you want to see if there's any type of wire. Like if you've got power to something, you just run it down the wire and then check it all out. And then when you hear the signal, you'll know that you got a break in the wire. A-form, you can see all the different battery test, charge test, load test. So let's do battery startup test. It says turn off engine. Turn off the engine, on the headlights, turn on the headlights for 2 minutes, then test. So let's turn the headlights on. So the headlights are on. Now what I'm going to do is do a battery test. We got to wait a few minutes, so let's wait. Let's skip to that. It's got the startup is normal time, 620 milliseconds. Voltage is 11. Battery startup. So this is a brand new battery, by the way. So I would hope that it's a good battery. Let's go charge test. Start the engine. Turn on all the vehicle loads. Increase the speed. Charging voltage is normal. Load test 13.6. Load 13. No load 13.6 volts. Load 13.4. So all of my battery is good, everybody. That's always good. I love the fact that this has a battery tester on it. Start the engine, turn on all electrical loads for 15 seconds. But yeah, everybody, this is something I recommend for anyone that's just doing any type of mechanics work and they need to have a good solid setup to do some electrical testing. There it is. That's all I got on the BOSSCOMM wire finder, short breaker, battery tester, AC tester, everything tester. See you on the next video.